Hello everybody. Has it been long enough, you think? I had an idea as I walked in here to this room to record this video, and I think maybe, first of all, I'm not going to put my mouth so close to the mic, because the past few videos, at least the last video, was like a lot of like huffing and puffing. Also, I'm going to try to make these videos a bit shorter, and I'm not going to, I don't know if I'll do like a lot more. I mean, once in a while there'll be full projects, but I don't think they're going to be like super like 3-minute long projects. So like, for example, like these are the ones I always want to get rid of. So, and they're always like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. So I start making one and then I'm like, I never work on it ever again. So this is one of those. And, yeah, so we'll just go over this, and I'll work on it a little bit at the same time, just to fill up some time. So here's what I got going at the moment. Oops. Okay, so yeah. I'll go through these a bit more separately right now. So here's a pluck. Lovely. Here's the other part. Not really a pluck, but it's like a synth. Oh, I can feel my mouth gravitating closer to the mic, and I'm not gonna let it happen. And here's the piano. There's a digi piano, and then the stringy piano, sorta, kinda. Fluty piano? I don't know, it's nice. And that's the digi piano. I even added, I have the chords on the bass line to make it the lower mids kinda. I don't know why, I like lower mids a lot. Like I'm referring to like, if you're looking at an EQ, like I like this kind of section. I don't like this section, it hurts my ears. But, yeah, the bassy lower mid section I enjoy, and you can get that if you add, like, your chords and the bass line on the piano roll for a piano with a big old reverb. So, yeah, that is that. And then I got these, like, digital chords here. Ooh, I should turn that back on over there. Okay. These. Okay, and those kind of cut off, so it sounds nice with this shaker loop here. Okay, and then there's a build, and here's the drop quick. Okay, lovely, and then there's some claps in this one. Here's a settle down now. Okay, there's a SpongeBob sample in here. Okay. And I even do with the, come on now, settle down. God, that delay is very long. Anyways, my chair's creaking. I even did a professional progressive house style thing, which is where you put fills in between the bars like this. So you can kind of hear that. It sounds nice. Yep. Pretty fancy. Okay, so I had a couple ideas for the, like, I could add in the video. So I figured I might as well just start recording and working on it. So I'm listening to a recent Seven Lions song. I think it's called, I don't remember what it's called at the moment. I'll get it up as I'm trying to speak. Okay. I'm not going to play it, but I will tell you. It is called, Sojourn with Crystal Skies. And he had a gated pad towards the beginning. So I'm going to add You guessed it, a gated pad. F. Cool. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into Nexus. Yeah. And then we're gonna go find a gated pad. And weird, I already found what I like. Here you go. Boom. Here's what it sounds like. Okay. We're actually gonna make the reverb a bit bigger. Yep, just like that. And the delay a little longer. Lovely. Okay. We're only gonna put that at like 50% volume. And then we'll see how it goes. There. I put it at 45% volume. Sounds a little nicer. So I'm just gonna bring those down here and put some more over here. What the heck? Get over it. Okay. Right there. So now I also wanted to add a little like a crash transition or a sweep transition. So I will look for one of those. Let's see. Here we go. How about that one? Let's up the pitch just to have some fun. Let's add a delay so it's extra fun. So let's route it over here and put a reverb and put the decay up a bit. A little more. Lovely. Lovely. Okay. I'll lower the volume a tiny bit more. Maybe. Nah, that's fine. Whatever. Okay. Next. I that's kind of all I had. I just wanted to add a little gated pad just so there's more at the beginning. But, this is definitely all yours as far as the projects go, so you feel free to. My mouth is so close to this. I'm sorry if it's huffy, if it's puffy again. Sorry. Here's the. Oh, come on now. Here's the main lead. Whoops. Whoa. Ah, it's filtered. Hold on. Okay, don't tell anyone, but this is one of my favorite presets in Silence. Just because it can slide really good. I only named it Spag Heddy kinda because of its old signs. That's all, because it's kind of a sign. So, that's it. Oh, it's not, but here's the chord. Oh yeah, it's the same chord. Okay, here's the bass. It's like a deep house bass. Oh man, I want to make a nice deep house song. I've been trying, but it's difficult because I'm not used to the sounds. Like I don't have a lot of the like presets, so I'm gonna have to find some deep house presets. So I've been listening to a lot of like G house and deep house stuff lately. Ah, it's so nice. Anyways, those plucks that were in the beginning are underneath the lead as well. And there's drop claps and shaker loops. And my impacts that I use in literally everything, as you know if you've been watching for the past, all the videos. Any of the videos, I suppose. And some hats, and some claps, and some rides, and some... That's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I can get some more of these out. I actually have a song coming out. I'll play it for you if you care. I'm going to try to submit it to some labels. But I'll play it for you. I've still been mastering it a bit, so it's not completely done. But yeah, it looks a lot more filled than the other project, which is good, I suppose. So here's this. Sorry, I was messing with the EQ there because every time I listen to this, I feel like I have to fix it. So I will go back to that other project, and that is all I had for you, ladies and gentlemen. Feel free to download it in the description. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. The next video will probably be that song that I just showed you. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.